Deep inside the Amazon rainforest, danger can come from almost anywhere. It can hide beneath the leaves, crawl across the forest floor, disappear into muddy rivers, or wait silently in the darkness. And while some predators rely on claws, teeth, or brute strength, others carry something far more terrifying, a chemical weapon, venom. Number 10. Giant Amazonian Centipede. Imagine lifting a piece of bark deep in the Amazon rainforest and suddenly seeing dozens of legs moving underneath it. This is the giant Amazonian centipede, a fast and terrifying ambush predator. Some giant centipedes can grow over 20 centimeters long, with flattened bodies that help them squeeze through cracks, logs, and narrow spaces. But their most frightening weapon isn't their legs. It's the pair of powerful venom-delivering claws near their head. These modified legs can grab prey and inject venom, helping the centipede overpower insects, spiders, small reptiles, and other small animals. And when threatened, it can defend itself with a painful bite. For humans, a bite may cause intense pain, swelling, and other symptoms. But here's the terrifying part. This predator doesn't need to chase you. It can hide beneath bark, leaves, or rocks, waiting silently. So the next time you reach under a piece of bark in the Amazon, look first, because something with dozens of legs might already be waiting underneath. Number 9. Amazonian Giant Scorpion. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, danger doesn't always come with a warning. Scorpions are masters of staying hidden. During the day, they can disappear beneath rocks, fallen logs, leaves, and cracks in the forest floor. But when darkness arrives, the hunters come out, armed with powerful pincers and a venomous stinger. Amazonian scorpions search the forest floor for prey. Different species have different venom, and some can deliver medically significant stings. Their venom is designed to help immobilize prey and defend themselves. But for humans, a sting can cause intense pain, swelling, and other symptoms. And in the Amazon, where visibility can become almost non-existent at night, one careless step could bring you dangerously close. The most terrifying part? You might never see the scorpion. You may only feel a sudden burning pain and realize that something was hiding beneath your feet. In the Amazon, darkness belongs to the hunters. Number 8. Brazilian traveling spider relatives. Deep inside the Amazon rainforest lives an incredible diversity of spiders. Among them are several species capable of delivering medically significant venom. Some are active hunters rather than web builders. They move silently through vegetation, leaf litter, and the forest floor, searching for insects and other small prey. Their venom is primarily designed to immobilize their victims quickly. But for humans, certain bites can cause significant pain and systemic symptoms. And here's what makes these spiders truly frightening. It's not just their venom, it's how difficult they can be to notice. In the dense Amazon, a spider can disappear against leaves, bark, or shadows. You could walk past one without ever realizing it was there, because a spider doesn't need to chase you to be dangerous. Sometimes it simply stays perfectly still, beneath a leaf, waiting for the jungle to become quiet. And by the time you notice it, you may already be too close. Number 7. South American Rattlesnake. Now we move from insects and spiders to a predator with a very different weapon. The South American rattlesnake. This venomous snake is found across parts of South America, including areas associated with the Amazon basin. Its venom contains powerful neurotoxic components that can interfere with the nervous system, making a bite a serious medical emergency. But this snake has something many predators don't: a warning system. The rattle. That unmistakable sound is a signal telling you to stay away. Get too close, and the rattlesnake can strike with incredible speed. And in tall grass, dense vegetation, or shadowy forest terrain, spotting a camouflaged snake before you get within striking distance can be extremely difficult. Imagine walking through the Amazon, when suddenly you hear that unmistakable sound behind you. Rattle, rattle. Don't investigate. Don't move closer. Because in the rainforest, hearing a rattlesnake's warning is a sound you should never ignore. Number 6. Freshwater Stingray. Deep beneath the muddy waters of the Amazon, something dangerous can be hiding where you least expect it. Meet the freshwater stingray, belonging to the genus Potamotrigon. At first glance, it may look harmless. Its flattened body glides silently across the riverbed, almost disappearing beneath the sand and mud. But hidden behind its tail is a powerful weapon, a venomous spine. When threatened or accidentally stepped on, the stingray can drive this sharp spine into an attacker, injecting venom and causing an extremely painful wound. For humans, these injuries can result in severe pain, bleeding, swelling, and tissue damage. And the terrifying part is how difficult these stingrays can be to see. In the Amazon's murky rivers, you could be standing just inches above one without realizing it. It isn't hunting you, it's simply hiding. But one careless step, and the peaceful river suddenly becomes a nightmare. In the Amazon, danger doesn't always swim toward you. Sometimes, it's waiting beneath your feet. Number 5. South American catfish. Deep beneath the dark waters of the Amazon, danger can hide in a creature that looks completely ordinary. Meet the South American catfish. Many catfish species have sharp, hardened spines on their fins, and in some species, these spines are associated with venomous or toxic secretions used for defense. They're not designed to hunt humans. They're a warning system. When threatened or handled carelessly, a catfish can lock its spine into position and deliver a painful puncture wound. Some species can cause intense pain, swelling, and other symptoms after an injury. And here's what makes them especially dangerous. They can be difficult to see in the muddy waters of Amazonian rivers. A fisherman reaching into the water, or someone grabbing a fish without knowing how to handle it, could suddenly feel a sharp sting. The fish may look harmless, but beneath those fins is a weapon built for survival. In the Amazon, even a simple catfish can fight back. Number 4. Poison dart frog. It looks beautiful. It looks harmless. But hidden beneath its bright dart skin is one of nature's most powerful toxins. Meet the poison dart frog, Phyllobates terribilis. Unlike a venomous snake that injects toxins, this tiny amphibian is poisonous. Its skin can contain batrachotoxin, an extremely potent neurotoxin that interferes with normal nerve and muscle function. The result can be devastating. Batrachotoxin disrupts sodium channels in nerve and muscle cells, preventing them from functioning normally. And here's the terrifying part. A single frog can contain enough toxin to potentially cause fatal poisoning in multiple adult humans. But these frogs aren't trying to attack people. Their poison is a defensive weapon, making predators think twice before attempting to eat them. And their brilliant color may serve as a warning. Don't touch. In the wild, their toxicity is linked to compounds obtained through their diet, and captive frogs may lose much of their toxicity. So remember, in the Amazon rainforest, sometimes the most beautiful creatures are the ones you should never touch. Number 3. Pit viper. High above the forest floor, hidden among the leaves of the Amazon rainforest, a predator is waiting. Meet the green tree pit viper. Unlike snakes that spend most of their time on the ground, this venomous pit viper is arboreal, meaning it spends much of its life in trees and dense vegetation. Its bright green body may look beautiful, but it's also remarkably well camouflaged among the foliage. And hidden inside its mouth are 2 powerful fangs designed to deliver venom. The snake doesn't need to chase its prey. It simply waits for an opportunity to strike. For people moving through dense rainforest vegetation, an arboreal snake can pose a particular danger because it may be positioned above eye level. An accidental encounter could result in a bite to the face, neck, or upper body, and you might not even see it until it's too late. The Amazon canopy is full of life, but sometimes the most dangerous creature is the one hiding directly above you. Number 2. Assassin bug. It may look like an ordinary insect, but the assassin bug is a predator equipped with a surprisingly terrifying weapon. Found in many parts of the world, including tropical environments, assassin bugs use a sharp, straw-like mouthpart called a proboscis to attack their prey. Instead of chewing their victims, they pierce them and inject saliva containing powerful digestive enzymes. These chemicals help immobilize prey and begin breaking down its internal tissues. The assassin bug then feeds on the liquefied contents. It's a brutal strategy, but incredibly effective. And some species can also bite humans when threatened or handled. Their bites can be painful and may cause localized swelling and irritation. The terrifying part isn't their size. It's their hunting technique. This tiny insect doesn't need massive jaws, sharp claws, or a giant body. It simply needs one precise strike, followed by venomous saliva that starts the process from the inside. In the rainforest, even a tiny insect can be a highly specialized predator. Small body, deadly strategy. Number 1. Bullet ant. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, one of the most painful creatures on Earth may be hiding in the trees. Meet the bullet ant, Paraponera clavata. It may look like an ordinary ant, but its sting is legendary. The bullet ant delivers venom containing ponerotoxin, a powerful peptide that affects nerve cells and produces intense pain. On the Schmidt Sting Pain Index, its sting is famously rated at the maximum level of 4, and the description is terrifying. The pain can be overwhelming, with intense burning and throbbing sensations that may persist for many hours, sometimes approaching 24 hours. But the bullet ant isn't hunting humans. Its venom is primarily a defense mechanism, protecting the colony from predators and threats. The warning signs may be easy to miss. One moment, you're walking through the rainforest. The next, a small insect has delivered one of nature's most painful stings. It may be tiny, but when the bullet ant strikes, the pain is anything but small.